So forgive me for those of you who have seen maybe a little bit of this content. I will not spend very long. And just for those who are maybe new to the concept of social Wi-Fi, I just quickly want to run through what is a social-powered Wi-Fi hotspot and how it works. Okay, so very simply, let's say my name is Bob and I walk into a restaurant and I see a sign on the wall that says, hey Bob, we have free, we'll say, hey, we have free Wi-Fi, connect to now and get a free apple pie for dessert. So not only do I want to save my data, but I also want something for free. Almost everybody does. So what I do is I turn on my phone, I look for the Wi-Fi network. Again, this can be anything of your choice. It's all white labeled. I click on that, I click OK, and I click on connect. Okay, what happens next is it will redirect me. It'll actually pop up automatically on my phone. This works for Android, Windows, BlackBerry, iPhone, any phone you have. You'll get a pop-up with your own custom splash page. Okay, this splash page will not have our logo, our name, or anything like that there. It'll be your logo, your ads, your client. Everything is all white labeled. So what I will do as a customer, again, I'm Bob in the coffee shop. I will click, yes, I agree to the terms, and connect with Facebook. Now, if I'm not logged in, it will ask me to log into Facebook, but most people have already logged into Facebook on their phones. All they will get is a screen over here saying, hey, this hotspot, so this coffee shop, wants to receive the following information from you, your public profile and email address. All I do is I click on OK, and step 3 will automatically now give me access to that Wi-Fi, but also serve up even more ads. So you have the opportunity over here to put your own logo, your own ad, your own autoplay video. You can do auto sharing, auto like. You can even link the punch cards in here as well, which I'll show you about in a minute. What you do is you really streamline all this connectivity. And the best part is that this really not only helps you engage with the customer who's physically at the location, but also plugs into all external ad networks to help you grow that viral growth exponentially. And some of the new features, and this is the old stuff, you guys have seen this, some of you have seen this, I'm about to show you some brand new Wi-Fi things that we just released that really changed the game. Okay, so first of all, just to show you a little bit quicker, if I'm in a place, I just turn on my Wi-Fi, I click on connect. Once I connect, I automatically get that pop-up screen. As you'll see here, it's all custom branded. I click yes, I agree. I then click on Twitter for this example. It'll automatically pull up my Twitter. I'm already authenticated. I just click authenticate, and then it pushes me right to my advertiser. Here I can choose to share. In this case, Coca-Cola is the advertiser. When I go next, I go to the Coke Rewards. Okay, so it's really nice. The best thing about this and the biggest value that I really hope everyone understands here is that you're growing a massive marketing database. So this is not about just a free Wi-Fi play. This is a lead gen play. This is a segmentation play. It's the ability for you to capture valuable data, including the real name, the personal email address, the gender, birthday, social patterns, and also to be able to identify who is new, who's returning, who's been back, how long they've been back for, and automatically add them to your email marketing database and Facebook custom audience in real time. Plus, over here, not only do you have the ability to generate likes from the people who are connected and physically in their location, with this social and viral growth, you have the ability for all their friends to also like that business, your client, on Facebook, thereby making you look a whole lot better. So the key here is, and the big message is that you capture the valid email address. This is not somebody saying, hey, I want you to fill out this form, enter the contest, and it's not real information. This captures the real data and then also provides real-time engagement. This has the ability to not only boost, like I said, the internal people who are located at the physical location, but also have the opportunity to have a wider effect of people who are not at that location. You can do a lot of extensions to Wi-Fi, so you can push mobile app downloads. You can drive contests and lead gen. You can incentivize people to log on and connect to win a prize. You can do loyalty and coupons. We integrate directly with Yelp or your own coupon system. We also integrate directly with TripAdvisor for reputation management and reviews. We are also, to mention, we are also going to be integrating with a lot of the big popular reputation management software you guys work right now. I'm not going to name them, but there's about 3 major reputation management softwares out there. I am friends with all 3 of the founders, and we're going to be integrating these directly into our Wi-Fi platform. Yes, yes, and yes to the people who asked the question with the question mark. We'll be integrating with all of those shortly, and we're also integrating our own customer feedback and Wi-Fi survey. So if you ever want to poll an audience or have people fill out a survey on site, on location, you can do all this through Wi-Fi. But perhaps one of the biggest opportunities with Wi-Fi is to set this up and not even charge the client. One of the biggest models that we've seen work for our partners is setting up a Wi-Fi hotspot and getting advertisers to pay you for it. So imagine taking this Wi-Fi hotspot to 10 of the best restaurants in town. It's very cost effective. As I'll show you in a minute, we also have revised our Wi-Fi pricing, which is really great. So you can take this, drop it into local businesses for free, tell the business owner, say, hey, Mr. Business Owner, I'm going to give you this hotspot. You can turn it on, plug it in. At the end of the month, I'm going to give you a list of all the customers, their emails, a whole list, and I'm going to give this to you absolutely free. I can't see anyone in the world who would say no to that. And what you do on the back end is start charging for ads. In this case, multiple places that you can charge for ads. You can change the SSID or the name of the network. You can have a header image. You can charge for the actual Facebook data. You can also plug in your ad, your video, your share button, and any other punch cards can all be charged separately.